Welcome to new session of maths for standard 9, and this is chapter number 2 going on. Chapter number 2 going on, and this is the new topic, zero of a polynomial. Polynomial class 0. There can be a zero of every polynomial. Okay. Now, how to find the zero of polynomial? Look at it. See, this method, zero of polynomial, something new word, something like new for us. So, it is divided into two parts. First, in the first part, we find the value of a polynomial when x is replaced by any real number k. See, we are given any polynomial which can be of x. Okay, polynomial on x. It is known as p of x. So, value of a polynomial when x is replaced by any real number k, which is known as p of k. Okay, polynomial में हम x की जगह पे कोई रियल नंबर डाल देंगे तो हमें पूरी पॉलिनोमियल की एक वैल्यू मिलेगी. तो ये फर्स्ट पार्ट है. So consider the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. For example, हमने ये polynomial ली and find the value of polynomial p of x. Replacing x by 3, then by 1, then by minus 3, and then by minus 1. Okay. So p of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. Now we have to find the value of polynomial by replacing x by 3. x की जगह पे हम 3 डालेंगे तो उसको p of 3 बोलते हैं. p of 3 is equal to square of 3 minus 4 into 3 plus 3. देखो x की जगह पे हमने 3 रिप्लेस कर दिया. So that is 9 minus 12 plus 3. That is 9 plus 3 is 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here we will replace the value of x by 1. It will be replace the value of x by 1. We get square of 1 minus 4 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 minus 4 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Here we are going to substitute the value of x by minus 3. X by minus 3. So it's x square means minus 3 square minus 4 into minus 3 plus 3. Okay. So minus 3 का square 9 minus minus plus 12 plus 3. It's 3 plus 9 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Okay, and here we are going to replace the value of x by y minus 1 in the given polynomial p of x. Okay, minus 1. So it's square of minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 3. Square of minus 1 is 1. 4 ones are 4 and minus minus plus. And 3 is equal to 3. Now 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. Now read this. This is for the value of x and given value of polynomial px at given value of x. ये पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू है. x की वैल्यू 3 डालने से पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 मिलती है. Okay, x is replaced by 1, the value of polynomial is 0. When x is replaced by minus 3, the value of polynomial is 12. And when x is replaced by minus 1, the value of polynomial is 8. Now here in general, see here we get the value of polynomial is equal to 0. 0 and here 0. So at given values of n, at here, when x is replaced by 3 and 1, we get p of x is equal to 0, and therefore 3 and 1 are zeros of polynomial x square minus 4x plus 3. So हम ये बता सकते हैं कि x की जगह पे जो रियल नंबर हम पॉलिनोमियल में डालते हैं और पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है, तो वो रियल नंबर्स को x की जगह पे जो हमने नंबर डाला वे नंबर्स पॉलिनोमियल के 0 है। x की जो वैल्यू पॉलिनोमियल को 0 बना देती है, पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू को 0 कर देती है, उसे पॉलिनोमियल के 0 कहा जाता है। So in general a number k is 0 of polynomial p of x when p of k is equal to 0. और p of k का मतलब पॉलिनोमियल p of x में x की जगह पे k एक नंबर है, रियल नंबर, तो x की जगह पे कोई रियल नंबर डालने से पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है, तो वो रियल नंबर को इस k को यानी इस रियल नंबर को इस पॉलिनोमियल का 0 होता है। सो x की जो वैल्यू पॉलिनोमियल को 0 बना देती है वही वैल्यू को x के जीरोस पॉलिनोमियल के जीरोस बोला जाता है। ओके, वेरी गुड। Okay, chapter number 2, example 2. Find the value of the following polynomials at indicated values of variables. Okay, so we have to find the value of this polynomial by replacing the value of x given here in each one. Okay, now p of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. We have to replace x by 1, which will be known as p of 1, So interpretation of p of 1 is value of the given polynomial at x is equal to 1. So the interpretation of p of 1 is value of the given polynomial at x is equal to 1. So 5 into square of 1 minus 3 into 1 plus 7, that is 1 ka square 1 into 5, 5 minus 3 plus 7, that is 5 plus 7 is 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Now my friend, look at it, let us discuss. If the value of polynomial is 9 at x is equal to 1, which is not 0, so we can say that the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 1 is 9 and not 0. So we can say that 1 is not a 0 of this polynomial. 1 is not a 0 because it cannot convert the value of polynomial 0. Okay, now find the value of p of y at y is equal to 2. Now p of y is equal to 3y cube minus 4y plus root 11. So p of 2, interpretation, p of 2 means value of the polynomial at y is equal to 2. Okay, so 3 into cube of 2 minus 4 into 2 plus root 11, that is 3 into 8 minus 8 plus root 11. So 8 3s are 24 minus 8 plus root 11, that is 16 plus root 11. Okay, you cannot further simplify it. 16 plus root 6. So the value of the polynomial at given value of y is equal to 2 is this. So once again, this one y is equal to 2 is not a 0 of this polynomial, because the polynomial is, the value of polynomial is not 0 at y is equal to 2. Now find the value of this polynomial at t is equal to a. Okay, p of t. Now p of a will be 4 into a raised to 4 plus 5 into a raised to 3 minus a raised to 2 plus 6. Okay, so we cannot we don't know the value of a, that's why this is the value of polynomial at t is equal to a. So this is the value, this is the polynomial on t. T is the variable, and when t is replaced by a, you get this value. Okay, so we cannot interpret about this value because we don't know what the exact value in number. Okay, now example number, check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2 or not. My friends, when by replacing the value of variable by the given values, if we get the value of the polynomial is equal to 0, then and then we can say that the given real numbers are the zeros of the polynomial. So इस polynomial में हम x की जगह पे एक बार -2 डालेंगे और polynomial की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. 0 होती है तो -2 है, वो polynomial का 0 है, और x की जगह पे -2 डालने से polynomial की वैल्यू 0 नहीं होती है तो -2 वो polynomial का 0 नहीं है. सिमिलरली दूसरी बार हम x की जगह पे 2 डालेंगे इस polynomial. अगर polynomial की वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है तो 2 x is equal to 2 is a 0 of the given polynomial, otherwise it is not. So p of x is equal to x plus 2. Now first time we will replace it by -2, because we want to check whether the -2 is a 0 of the polynomial or not. So for that we have to replace the value of x by -2. So x is equal to -2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Yes. And now p of 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Look at it. When you replace the value of x by -2, you get 0. And when you replace the value of x by 2, you don't get the value of polynomial is 0. So here p of -2 is equal to 0, but p of 2 is not equal to 0, and therefore -2 is a 0 of p of x is equal to x plus 2, but 2 is not a 0 of p of x is equal to x plus 2. Okay, so -2 है, ये इस polynomial का 0 है, लेकिन +2 है, ये इस polynomial का 0 नहीं है. Okay. Okay, now example number 4. Find a 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Now till now we were verifying that the given values of values are the zeros of the given polynomial or not. So given real numbers are 0 of the given polynomial or not, but here we have to find the 0 of the given polynomial. Very easy, my friend, very easy. See, we know that when the value of polynomial is 0, then the value of x is the 0 of the polynomial. x की जगह पे जो वैल्यू डालने से पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है, उसको इस पॉलिनोमियल का 0 बोला जाता है. तो यहाँ हम उल्टा करेंगे, पॉलिनोमियल के सामने इज इक्वल टू 0 रख देंगे और ये 0 बनाने वाली x की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे, वो पॉलिनोमियल का 0 होगा. ओके, सी फाइंड द 0 ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, टू फाइंड 0 of p of x, we take p of x is equal to 0 and therefore 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now we will move 1 and 2 to the opposite side. So first of all we will transpose 1 to opposite side. So 2x is equal to minus 1 here. Now transpose 2, which is a multiple of x, with go opposite side, then become a denominator. So x will be minus 1 upon 2. So this is x is equal minus 1 upon 2 is a 0 of p of x is equal to 2x plus 1. So 0 find करना very easy है. ओके, जैसे इस पॉलिनोमियल p ऑफ x अगर पॉलिनोमियल है तो उसका 0 फाइंड करना, जैसे ये इक्वेशन है तो इक्वेशन का ये रूट है, इस पॉलिनोमियल का ये 0 बोला जाता है. ओके, सो टू फाइंड 0 वी हैव टू इक्वेट द पॉलिनोमियल इज इक्वल टू 0. पॉलिनोमियल के सामने हमें 0 रख देना है और x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. उसको प्रोसेस ऑफ फाइंडिंग 0 ऑफ द गिवन पॉलिनोमियल होता है. नाउ वेरीफाई वेदर 2 and 0 आर zeros of polynomial. Okay, so now p of x is equal to x square minus 2 into x. This is the polynomial. So verify whether 2 and 0 are the zeros. 2 और 0 इस पॉलिनोमियल के 0 है या नहीं. So हम क्या करेंगे, x की जगह पे एक बार 2 रखेंगे, पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, अगर 0 आती है, पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 बन जाती है, तो 2 है वो पॉलिनोमियल का 0 है, वरना नहीं है. और दूसरी बार क्या करेंगे, हम x की जगह पे 0 को रिप्लेस करेंगे, और अगर 0 रिप्लेस करने से पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है तो x इज इक्वल टू 0, यानी 0 है, इस पॉलिनोमियल का 0 होगा. सो p ऑफ 2 इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर ऑफ 2 minus 2 into 2, that is 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Yes, while replacing the value of x by 2 in the given polynomial, we get the value of polynomial is equal to 0, and it is the verification that 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. Now let us check whether 0 is a 0 of the polynomial or not. Square of 0 minus 2 into 0, that is 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Yes, both 2 and 0 both turns the value of polynomial to 0. So here both 2 and 0 are zeros of p of x is equal to x square minus 2x. So किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल का 0 भी किसी पॉलिनोमियल का 0 हो सकता है. x की जगह पे 0 डालने से पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है, तो 0 है वो पॉलिनोमियल का 0. सो किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल के 0 कौन से नंबर से, वो पॉलिनोमियल पर डिपेंड करता है. 0 किसी पॉलिनोमियल का 0 हो भी सकता है और 0 किसी पॉलिनोमियल का 0 नहीं हो, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. ओके, very good. So now I think you have got the concept of 0 of the polynomial and tried to find out the zeros, verified the given numbers are 0 of the polynomial or not. So it's a complete exercise 2.2 giving you to complete in homework. Okay, very good.